Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy. This is an 11-month follow-up on a guy that's just a couple of years younger than me, but he's way cooler than I've ever been.
Yes, he is.
He's a rich businessman surfer who flies all over the world to go surfing. And I remember his wife, who did not like to be called wife.
Oh, man.
Or ma'am. And so he came in and he just needed these little triangles done. And so we did these two little triangles with a little strip case. And I think in 6 days out, he got his stitches out here, and he'd done pretty good cleaning, and he flew immediately to...
He was going to California or something.
Yeah, and he was gone for a while surfing. And then I think he's actually bought some surf stuff from a guy I took biology classes with in college. And so here he walked in. He just walked in one day at 11 months, and he looks like this. And that is unremarkable.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is what it's supposed to be. It does not look like...
It doesn't look like a hair transplant.
Like, some of these candidates that we see on TV all the time. And here's a close-up of his scar, and he's got, a half-inch long hair, and he usually buzzes it down a little bit closer. So in summary, if you're a dude my age and you just need a little bit filled in the corner, we're happy to do it for you. And if you're younger or older, we're happy to talk to you too. Thanks.
Thank you.